Ready to expand your knowledge of Ontario road signs? In Part 2 of our series, we're covering 120 more essential signs that every driver should recognize. Whether you're studying for your G1 test or just refreshing your understanding of road safety, this is another important step toward becoming a confident driver. Let's get started. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? A. Yield ahead. B. Stop ahead. C. Warning, stop coming up. You're right. B. This sign warns drivers of a stop ahead. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Turn left sign 90 degrees. B. Turn left ahead. C. 90-degree turn ahead. That's correct. A. This sign marks a 90-degree left turn. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. Warning, traffic light ahead. B. Traffic signals ahead. C. Stop light up ahead. Good choice. B. This sign alerts drivers of traffic signals ahead. Question 4. What does this road sign indicate? A. Yield ahead. B. Yield sign. C. Caution, yield ahead. Correct. A. This sign warns of a yield ahead. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. New road sign. B. New traffic control. C. New. That's the one. C. This sign indicates a new road regulation or structure. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? A. Leftward curve. B. Curve to the left. C. Curving left. Well done. B. This sign warns of a curve to the left. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? A. Lane ends left. B. End of left lane. C. Left lane ends. Correct. C. This sign warns that the left lane is ending. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? A. Chevron lane. B. Chevron direction. C. Chevron alignment. Absolutely. C. This sign shows a chevron alignment for directional guidance. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. Sharp curve to the left. B. Left turn at sharp angle. C. Caution, sharp left bend. Good choice. A. This sign warns of a sharp curve to the left. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? A. Reverse curve to the left. B. Reverse curve ahead. C. Reverse left bend. That's correct. A. This sign warns of a reverse curve to the left. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. Two-way checkerboard. B. Checkerboard, both direction. C. Bidirectional checkerboard. You got it. B. This sign marks a checkerboard in both directions. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? A. Sharp left reverse curve. B. Sharp reverse curve to the left. C. Extreme left. Reverse curve. Well done. B. This sign warns of a sharp reverse curve to the left. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. Trucks blocking left turn. B. Truck turning area. C. Encroachment from trucks beside turning left. Correct. C. This sign warns of trucks encroaching beside a left turn. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? A. Bump ahead. B. Road ahead, bump. C. Bump zone. You got it. A. This sign alerts drivers to a bump ahead. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? A. Freeway left exit. B. Left lane exit. Freeway. C. Left off-ramp. That's correct. B. This sign marks a freeway left lane exit. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? A. Reverse curve pattern. B. Road with reverse checkerboard. C. Checkerboard reverse curve. Correct. C. This sign warns of a checkerboard reverse curve. Question 17. Can you identify this road sign? A. Start of divided road. B. Divided road begins. C. Road split ahead. You're right. B. This sign indicates that a divided road begins. Question 18. What does this road sign indicate? A. Road pattern. B. Road surface pattern. C. Checkerboard. Well done. C. This sign represents a checkerboard pattern on the road. Question 19. What does this road sign mean? A. Downhill slope. B. Steep hill. C. Steep descent. You got it. B. This sign warns drivers of a steep hill. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. Divided road ends. B. Divided highway ends. C. No longer divided. That's the one. A. This sign means that a divided road ends. Question 21. What does this road sign indicate? A. Oblique intersection. B. Angled intersection. C. Skewed crossroad. Correct. A. This sign warns of an oblique intersection ahead. Question 22. What does this road sign mean? A. U-turn sharp left. B. 180-degree curve to the left. C. 180-degree left bend. You're right. B. This sign warns drivers of a 180-degree curve to the left. Question 23. Can you identify this road sign? A. Narrow road ahead. B. Road narrows. C. Road becomes narrow. Well done. B. This sign warns that the road narrows ahead. Question 24. What does this road sign indicate? A. Narrow structure, bridge. B. Bridge ahead. C. Narrow passage, bridge. That's correct. A. This sign warns of a narrow structure such as a bridge. Question 25. What does this road sign mean? A. Traffic circle. B. Roundabout. C. Circular junction. You got it! B. This sign indicates a roundabout ahead. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? A. Intersection with right-of-way. B. Crossroads with priority. C. Priority crossroad. Correct. B. This sign means that crossroads with priority are ahead. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A. Height limit ahead. B. Overhead height restriction. C. Height restrictions. That's the one. A. This sign warns of a height limit ahead. Question 28. Can you identify this road sign? A. Risk of truck overturning. B. Truck overturn hazard. C. Truck safety sign. Well done. A. This sign alerts drivers to the risk of truck overturning. Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? A. T-junction. B. T intersection. C. T-shaped junction. You got it. B. This sign marks a T intersection. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? A. Lane. Ends in 1,500 meters. B. Lane closure in 1,500 meters. C. Lane divides 1,500 meters. That's correct. A. This sign warns that the lane ends in 1,500 meters. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? A. End of pavement. B. Pavement ends. C. End of road surface. Correct. B. This sign warns drivers that the pavement ends ahead. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? A. 2 left lane exit, freeway. B. Left 2 lane exit. C. 2 lane exit, left. You're right. A. This sign indicates a 2 left lane exit on a freeway. Question 33. Can you identify this road sign? A. Bump. B. Bumpy road. C. Uneven pavement. Well done, A. This sign warns of a bump ahead. Question 34. What does this road sign indicate? A. Bridge opening ahead. B. Bridge under construction. C. Opening bridge. That's the one. C. This sign warns drivers about an opening bridge. Question 35. What does this road sign mean? A. Uncontrolled intersections. B. No control at intersections. C. Unmarked intersection. You're correct. A. This sign warns of uncontrolled intersections ahead. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? A. Left lane exits, next lane exit, or though. B. Exit left or next exit lane. C. Exit lane, left or right. Correct. A. This sign shows that the left lane exits, while the next lane continues. Question 37. What does this road sign mean? A. Checkerboard one direction. B. One-way surface marker. C. Checkerboard lane. You got it. A. This sign marks a checkerboard in one direction. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? A. Y junction. B. Y-shaped intersection. C. Y. Intersection. Well done. C. This sign represents a Y intersection. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? A. Divided road intersection, ahead. B. Divided road crossing. C. Intersection ahead with divided road. That's the one. A. This sign warns of a divided road intersection ahead. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? A. Speed bump, ahead. B. Speed hump. C. Slow down for speed hump. Correct. B. This sign warns of a speed hump ahead. Great job on completing part 2 of our Ontario road sign series. You're well on your way to mastering the rules of the road, but there's still more to learn. Part 3 is coming next, covering even more important signs. Keep going and stay sharp. Click here for more videos and we'll see you in the next one.